Now I'm going to show you how to fill up those donuts. I chose to fill it up with caramel. You can, if you like, you can fill it up with custard, with jelly. There are all kind of things with date spread. Whatever you like, you can fill it up with. We make a little hole and we squeeze it in. Another way of making it, if you don't have a syringe, is to take a donut and just you make a hole with your finger, and then you take a spoon and you put whatever filling you want. I'm going to just use the syringe. You can see that if you put a little bit more, it's pretty. It shows out too. It's yummy inside, plus it gives it a decoration from the outside too.